Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google PageSpeed to optimize core web vitals, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Google PageSpeed for optimizing core web vitals, start by visiting the Google PageSpeed Insights website. Enter the URL of the page you want to analyze in the input field. Click on the Analyze button to generate a report for your web page. Once the report is generated, review the performance score, which ranges from 0 to 100. Pay attention to the core web vitals metrics displayed in the report: largest contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. Identify the areas that need improvement based on the recommendations provided by Google PageSpeed Insights. Make a list of the suggested optimizations, which may include improving image sizes, reducing server response times, or minifying CSS and JavaScript. Next, implement the recommended changes on your website. For images, consider using next-gen formats like WebP and ensure they are properly compressed. For CSS and JavaScript, utilize minification tools to remove unnecessary characters and comments. Check if your website is using browser caching efficiently, which can significantly boost page load times. After making these changes, rerun the analysis on Google PageSpeed Insights to see how your score has improved. Review the results again to confirm that the core web vitals metrics now meet the recommended thresholds. If you're still not satisfied with the performance, consider leveraging a content delivery network, or CDN, to distribute your content more effectively. Monitor the performance of your website regularly by running periodic analyses using Google PageSpeed Insights. Continuously adapt and refine your optimizations based on the latest web performance best practices in Google's guidelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.